Good evening, I'm bringing you breaking news that has shocked the nation and sparked outrage across southern Africa. Zambia's Attorney General Mulalo Kabesha has formally requested permission from the High Court in Pretoria, South Africa, to inspect the body of former President Edgar Lungu. This unprecedented legal bid has been met with disbelief, outrage, and widespread speculation across the region. The Attorney General's application seeks judicial authorization to conduct a physical examination of Lungu's remains, though the precise motivations remain unclear. This move has triggered a wave of reactions from both Zambian and South African citizens, many viewing the action as deeply disrespectful and culturally insensitive. On South Africa's popular 702 talk radio, callers expressed outrage, labeling the request as un-African and morally questionable. The notion of disturbing the body of a deceased leader has been described by critics as a violation of African traditions that emphasize reverence for the dead. Critics argue this violates the preservation of dignity in death, a cornerstone of African cultural values. Legal experts have weighed in on the matter, questioning the necessity and legality of such a request. Some argue that unless there is compelling forensic or criminal justification, the move could be interpreted as politically motivated or even vindictive. Others suggest the Attorney General may be pursuing the inspection as part of an ongoing investigation to clarify unresolved issues related to Lungu's death. Former President Lungu, who served from 2015 to 2021, left behind a complex legacy marked by economic challenges and allegations of corruption. In Zambia, the political climate remains tense, with lingering divisions between supporters of Lungu's Patriotic Front and the current administration. His death has been surrounded by rumors and conspiracy theories, some questioning the circumstances under which he passed away. From a legal standpoint, the request raises important questions about jurisdiction and international cooperation. Since Lungu's body is located in South Africa, Zambian authorities must navigate the intricacies of cross-border legal protocols. The High Court in Pretoria will need to assess whether the request aligns with South African law and respects the rights of the deceased and his family. Culturally, the move has been condemned by traditional leaders and civil society organizations who argue it undermines African values. In many African societies, the dead are accorded sacred status, and any interference with their remains is considered taboo. The idea of exhuming or inspecting a body without family consent is seen as a profound breach of ethical norms. The controversy highlights the growing intersection between law, politics, and media in Africa. The rapid dissemination through social media and radio has amplified public outrage and shaped the narrative in real time. In an era of digital activism and citizen journalism, governments must be mindful of how their actions are perceived. The Attorney General's bid to inspect Edgar Lungu's body has opened a Pandora's box of legal, cultural, and political dilemmas. While motivations remain opaque, public reaction has been overwhelmingly negative, reflecting deep concerns about respect for the dead. As the High Court in Pretoria deliberates, the case will be closely watched across the continent. This serves as a litmus test for how African societies navigate the complex terrain of law, legacy, and leadership. We will continue following this developing story. This has been Zambia Today. Thank you for watching.